So today I am doing an unboxing video. There is a box within this box. This is the shipment box. Let's open that up. And from Michael Kors, has a beautiful bow wrapped around the box. Let's see if I can. I'm gonna get this out of here and then be right back. Okay, I got the Michael Kors box out of the shipment box. The bow is wrapped all around it. Let's take this off. There we go. Now I can open it. Protective plastic. Protective paper. So much protective paper. All right, I'm gonna get all of the protectant paper. Yeah, I'm gonna get all of the protectant paper off. Gonna do a jump cut. That was a lot of work getting that out, but this is what was in the box. It is a Michael Kors tote. It's a large tote. It is brown, soft pink, and it comes with a little wallet in it. Super cute. Absolutely in love with it. Merry Christmas to me. And happy holidays to all of you.